Good morning, students. In our last session, we learned the four different options used for working with multiple applications. Can you remember those four different terms? Don't worry, I am helping you to remember such things. First one is a task view, which is used to see and move between all opened applications. Second one, jump list. Again, it is used to open all recently accessed documents. And third one is snap. Snap is a facility to efficiently use your screen by arranging multiple windows, and parallelly you can switch over between multiple applications. And fourth, you learned how to create a new desktop. Again, with the help of task view icon, you can create n number of desktop and you can open whatever the applications you want to work in the desktop. So in this way, we can work with multiple applications. Next, we are going to learn various file formats. So now you are hearing a new term called file format. We said file is a basic storage unit of a computer. So whatever you are doing with a computer and whatever a computer is processing for you, everything should be stored in memory. So when you store information, it should distinguish between various files, yes or no? Yes, of course. So how it is distinguishing between various files with the help of these formats. So each and every file, based on the content you are storing in it, it is giving a extension. So using this extension, the files were differentiated. For example, we are typing a content or preparing a document using Word software. Yes, in last session we learnt MS Word and MS PowerPoint. We prepared a presentation, we prepared a document. Yes or no? Yes. Once you prepared or once you ready with the content of Word document or the PowerPoint software, what will you do? You will save your content. Yes. So when save your content, two things you have to give as an input to a computer. One is a file name and another one is the extension you want to save. You want to save the same file in your computer. Yes, that extension is determining the type of a computer. In modern computers, based on the application you are using, it is determining the file format itself. So we never worried about the extension. We simply type the name and we are clicking save option. This is what we are practicing regularly. But as a technology student, you should update yourself with these various formats. Okay, today is the session for learning such formats. So here I am listing you the various file formats with some examples. Okay, first one is audio file formats with a popular extension like .mp3, .wv, .wpl. Video file formats with .mp4, .flv, .avi. So now if someone asked you, so what is this .mp3 extension? You have to immediately give a response. Hey, this is actually a file from video. It's a file format of video or it's a file format of word processor. That's a learning. That's a way of applying a learning. Yes. So update yourself with these various formats. Next is a word processor files. That is the Word document. .docx is a Word document. .odt is again a word processor file. That is this is actually an application from Linux operating system. And WPS you all know is you are using the package in your phone. Presentation files with an extension .pptx, .ppt, .odp. Still many more applications are there for the presentation software with various extension, but I am listing you with a popular one. Yes, spreadsheet. spreadsheet with .xls.xlsx.ods. And one more popular category. What is this? Image file. Hope you all are familiar with GIF file. Yes, in WhatsApp, always you love to share these GIF files during some special occasion. Yes or no? Yes. So still some more files are there. .bmp, .gif, .jpg, .bng, .tiff, and PSD is an extension from Photoshop software. Yes. And programming files. These are various languages in computer. .java, .c, .cpp, and .vb. Yes. And compressed file. To reduce the size of a file, we will use some compressor. And those kind of files will be saved with an extension of .zip and .rar. So children, remember all these formats with various extension, because this topic is a prerequisite for learning the forthcoming topic, that is searching files and folders in your computer. So during that time, if you know the file format, it is easy to search the file in a computer. Okay, that's why we are learning this topic and this time and learn. Thank you.